Hey everybody, Don Giannetti, lighting-essentials.com and project52prosystem.com. We are starting our free tabletop class. We're starting it Saturday. That would be July 18th. The first class is open now. There is no meeting or anything on Saturday. That's just the go time. And then you do your photographs. You go up to the Facebook page, which is listed there, and you put your photographs in the correct album. The album will be made up there by the end of the day, Saturday the 18th. There'll be an album there. That's where you put your photograph. Make sure that you name your photograph your name so that we know whose it is. That's very important. And make sure that it's big enough. So 12 to 1400 pixels so that we can get a good size of it when we're looking at it. I'll come in and I'll look at the images and I will give some critiques. We'll do it live next Saturday, week from tomorrow. There'll be a live meeting. I don't know how long it will last. Bring popcorn. Hell, you might bring a long chair. I don't know. We'll take a look, see what you did. We'll pick a top shot or something. We'll do something. There's going to be something different every time. The first assignment is up. It's there. Get started on it. Finish the image. Get it up into Facebook before next Saturday, because next Saturday the new image drops and you want to be working on it. So you've got a week, a little more if you start today, and I hope you enjoy it. It's tabletop. It's kind of product oriented. In fact, we do some product, we do some still life, we do some food, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So don't look for any class or anything tomorrow. First class is up there. Learn from the folks who went before you. There's probably 25 hours of video up there. I don't know if you need to watch it all, but you can certainly go over to the Facebook page, look at the old folders. You'll see them. There was a Friday and a Saturday group, or I think it was something like that. Saturday and whatever. I can't remember. Anyway, there's a bunch of them up there. So there's at least 12 folders. No, we did 8, 10. There's at least 20 folders of images. There's videos on the pages, and enjoy yourself. I'll be in there chatting with you guys, and I'll see you a week from tomorrow, which is July 18th. Take care, folks. Take care.